This is more of a snow report than a blog, but I just thought it was really cool and I wanted to video some of the snow outside. So let's take a look. The snowflakes are about a quarter in size, like a quarter as in the coin a quarter. The winds are starting to blow all the snow all over the place and the trees are sagging everywhere. That's not out of focus, that's snow. You can see the snow drift on the street. And that's Boulder's weather for today. And it probably will stay that way for the entire day. And then a couple days from now there'll be no snow on the ground at all. But all the trees probably will fall over.